Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god, bro. This is a whole BBL. The work they do is just so clean. What is good, YouTube? Thanks for coming back to the channel, clicking on this video. And as you can tell by the title of this video, I installed carbon fiber parts on my C63. So right now, obviously, as you guys can see, I'm coming back from work. It's just like my everyday car. On the way back from work, I'm gonna go home, have my brother take me to the place and go see what the car looks like. So you're probably asking me, like, why didn't you just do it yourself? You know, it's only a diffuser, you know, a spoiler and mirror cap. I wish it was that easy with German cars, especially with AMG and stuff. But unfortunately, in the back, there's just a bunch of sensors. And in order to install the diffuser, the whole bumper has to come off. So if you want to install it properly, it's kind of a process. So while the car was there, I told the guy working on my car, you know, just kill all the birds with one stone. Like, since the car's already there, you already put the diffuser. You might as well put the rear spoiler and the two mirror caps and just, you know, get it all over with. So yeah, that's pretty much the reason why the car is there, and you know, they're doing it instead of myself. Now the front splitter is still yet to come in. I can do that myself. Shouldn't take too long. It should be here maybe within like the next week or so. So hopefully that'll look really nice and complete the official look of the car for now. So yeah, with that being said, I should be home in a little bit. I'm gonna drop this car off, and then my brother's gonna take me to the mechanic shop, and we're gonna go pick up the car. So if you guys are new to the channel, hit the like button and also subscribe if you guys like car content and enjoy this video. And then yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright, so we just got to the spot. As you guys can see, motor works, and the car should be, there it is, right over there. Oh my god, I hope this looks nice. Hold on, let me get out 1 second. Wow. Alright, so here's the car, and oh my god, look at that. Day and night difference. Oh my god. Get the rear spoiler. Oh wait, let it focus a little bit. All carbon. It's starting to rain a little bit, look. Man, look how clean that looks. That is a nice looking rear end. And then we also have the mirror caps over here got installed, also carbon fiber. Looks really clean, but I'm really happy with how this thing came out. Again, so we still got to get the front lip. It'll be here hopefully within the next couple weeks or so. And then I am going to also be lowering the car, so it'll look really nice. Show you guys what it looks like in here. Wow. So worth it, man. So worth it. Oh my god, look how nice it looks from the back. Crazy. Alright, so I am back in the car. I'm heading home right now. And all I can say is I'm beyond happy with how everything turned out. It looks so nice. So yeah, man. Honestly, right now, just from an aesthetic point of view, from the outside, for the exterior of the car, we just need that front lip, and we gotta lower the car a little bit, and it'll look perfect. That's all I have for aesthetics for this car now, at least from the outside. Interior, I'm not too worried about. It's pretty easy, just like a regular carbon swap, or I might just do like kind of a similar interior that I actually have to the C43, so like that black wooden trim in the middle, and then little like aluminum parts on the side. Well, I'm not too worried about the interior right now. My main goal was the outside, and then in the spring, my goal is to start with the performance. So I want to go hopefully like stage 2, just a tuned down pipe, maybe a nice set of intakes as well. Nothing too crazy. If I get to like maybe mid 600 horsepower or so, I think that's more than enough to be reliable and plenty power for me. But yeah, man, I'm really happy how everything so far has turned out with the car. Yeah, carbon fiber with silver is gonna look really nice, especially in the sun. Like the way it's gonna contrast and just, you know, accent each other. It's gonna look really nice, man. So yeah, I really can't wait to see what that's gonna look like. All right, so I just got to the gas station. I'm gonna give you guys a better look because I just realized in that video the lighting wasn't the best. So that's the carbon, the rear spoiler right here. Oh, just look at this ass. Oh my god, bro, this is a whole BBL, I swear to god. The guys at that shop, bro, shout out to Motorix. I swear to God, those guys are insane, bro. The work they do is just so clean. Look how nice that carbon fiber looks. Well, let me go to this side real quick. Look at this thing, clean as hell. Looks so nice. So yeah, oh yeah, one thing I also did forget to say was I'm gonna black out the star right here just so it matches the badges. I don't know why I didn't do that in the first place. And then the grill I'm not gonna change. Everyone always tells me to. I'm not, because the star glows up at night. But what I will do is just black out all the chrome right around it. So give you guys another look. I'm so happy with this thing, man. I'm so happy with how everything coming out. This is like, you guys don't understand, like this has been a dream car of mine for so long. Like everyone has that one goal, but this is like my realistic dream car right now, because growing up I've always wanted this thing. And man, just like being able to actually have this and do whatever I want to it is just crazy. I think that's pretty much how I'm gonna end this video. Again, super happy, like you guys don't understand, super happy with how everything came out. And then obviously the more, you know, I start doing things to this car aesthetically, and you know, once we get into the performance things, hopefully in the springtime, I'll obviously be posting a lot about it. So like a lot on my Instagram, my TikTok, obviously my YouTube here for you guys. So if you guys want to keep up with the build and how everything's looking, you know, be sure to do that. And then actually, believe it or not, I actually do have some plans for the C43 as well. So it's pretty nice. But yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna end the video. So if you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button and also subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.